My name is Emily. I am 12 years old. I go to Green Hill School. It is a big school with many students and teachers. I study English, math, science, art, and music. I usually get up at 7 o'clock. I wash my face and get dressed. I wear my school uniform. It is blue and white. I eat breakfast with my family. I have milk, bread, and an egg. I walk to school with my best friend, David. He is funny and kind. On the way, we talk about homework and games. We pass a library and a fire station. At 8:30, we start class. Our first lesson is math. The teacher writes on the board. We use our books and pencils. I like solving problems. David prefers art. At 10 o'clock, we have a short break. I eat an apple and drink some water. We play in the playground. Some children play football. Others skip or draw with chalk. Next, we go to the science lab. We do a simple experiment with water and salt. We wear white coats and use test tubes. It is very exciting. At lunch, I eat in the school canteen. I have chicken, rice, and salad. For dessert, I eat a banana. I sit with my friends and we laugh a lot. In the afternoon, we have music and art. In music class, we sing a song and play instruments. I play the drum and David plays the guitar. In art class, we use paints and brushes. I draw a red car and a green tree. School ends at 3:30. I go to the bus stop. The yellow school bus takes me home. At home, I do my homework. I also feed my cat and water the flowers. In the evening, I help my mother in the kitchen. She cooks soup and sandwiches. After dinner, I read a comic book and write in my diary. I go to bed at 9 o'clock. I feel tired but happy. I like my school and my friends. I learn something new every day.